Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming versions and account. This matters because installers match versions. Once signed into Creative Cloud, make sure updates are applied. Otherwise, installers fail. Close Premiere Pro now so files aren't locked, and open Creative Cloud to inspect optional downloads or installed apps. If Media Encoder shows as not installed or a different version, you'll see an Install or Update button. Click that to begin. You're ensuring compatibility between Premiere and Media Encoder before proceeding to deeper fixes. You now handle the complex middle steps. Run the Creative Cloud installer to add Media Encoder, and if it fails, select Repair from the App menu. This fixes corrupted installers. Once installed, launch Media Encoder while holding Shift+Alt on Windows or Shift+Option on Mac to reset preferences. This clears cache conflicts that block Premiere integration. If installation still fails, uninstall and reinstall the Creative Cloud desktop app, because a broken CC client often prevents background package installs and permission handshakes. You finish by verifying the connection. Open a sequence in Premiere, choose File, Export Media, then Queue. Premiere should push the job to Media Encoder. If it doesn't, run Creative Cloud and installers as administrator or with sudo to resolve permission blocks. Make sure background processes aren't blocked by antivirus. If problems persist, clear Adobe cache folders and sign out, then back into Creative Cloud. This forces a token refresh and often resolves stubborn install or authorization errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.